You can speak right now. The audience can hear you.
I may be making a mess.
Yeah.
I'm making a mess.
You're talking into my iPod right now. You're on YouTube right now. Wait, you can go into one of those? How do you go into one of those? Oh, I think I just have to pick one of the bots. Yeah, one of these. Yeah. Hey, dude. What?
Dude, I want to show you something, okay?
Can you hear me, dude?
Yeah, come on. Come on.
Dude, I can barely hear you because I want the audience to hear you, so can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you a little bit.
Yeah, you're gonna have to listen to me like this because this is the best way I can record.
Okay.
So, do the boing right now. Do the boing with the, with this
What?
thing. I'm recording right now. You should do it.
Started?
Yeah, I'm recording. The audience can hear you. Look, say hi, Aiden. Say hi, Aiden.
Hello. Sorry if I'm coming on a little too
Okay,
loud.
this is gonna be funny. Watch. Look, hang on. Wait.
Oh, here goes the boing. Boing. Wait, will I make it to the island? No.
Yeah, that's funny. Watch this. Watch my camera.
Like this one.
And I'm just gonna go,
Shoot it.
bye-bye.
Shoot. With you.
Yep.
Hey,
Can you still hear me, though? Can you still hear me?
yeah, I can hear you.
Can you hear me a little bit better now?
I joined in with them. Yeah, I can a little bit.
Okay, that's good. Because I'm speaking right now on video.
Dude, here. Get in.
Okay, that's enough for right now. We'll do another YouTube video later. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Aiden.
Okay.
Say bye, Aiden. On the
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.